Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is about basic economics, the concepts of supply and demand. To do this lesson, you will simply need a worksheet from education.com. The link to finding it on my Pinterest board will be in the show notes. You will need some pens or pencils. And here is how we do the lesson. First of all, you're going to assemble all your materials. Key component is the worksheet, identifying changes in supply and demand. Now first you're going to discuss with the students what supply is and what demand is. Supply is how much of a good or service that is available. And demand is how much of a good or service that people are willing to buy. Now supply on the left-hand side goes up when resources cost less and there are more people willing to buy. The opposite is true when resources cost more and are harder to get. On the demand side, demand rises when there are more customers or when a good is very popular or in season. Demand will fall when there are fewer customers and when a good is unpopular or out of season. Then, after making sure that the student understands those concepts, you're going to move to the second part. The second part are 3 questions about supply. The student should carefully read each scenario and then draw an arrow to show whether the supply goes up or down. Last part of this activity is to go over to the demand section. Read the 3 scenarios about demand. Think about what happens to the demand. Draw an arrow to show whether the demand will increase, go up, or decrease and go down. Hope you've had fun with this activity. Please reinforce this concept by asking the student about supply and demand whenever you or your family makes a purchase. Please click subscribe to get new teaching lessons every Friday, and for other educational resources to benefit your family, check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Until we meet again, goodbye.